The contents of Radharasa Sudhanidhi are quite secret and confidential. They are meant to be relished by the inner circle of Braj worshippers. In verse 258, Prabodhananda Saraswati, the author of Radharasa Sudhanidhi, says, "The attainment of the nectar of eternal service to Sri Radhika is the most far-reaching goal of spiritual life of the super-intelligent." In other words, if someone has very good intelligence, they will understand that the topmost attainment in spiritual life is to become a servant of the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani. It's such a valuable position that even the Lord Himself, God Himself, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, He comes to this world to experience the nectar of service at Radharani's feet. What does it mean to be Radharani? So He becomes Lord Chaitanya to experience her seva, her moods of seva, the happiness she feels by serving Krishna, and this mood. Thus, this book, Radharasa Sudhanidhi, is to be revered and worshipped only by the most sincere and serious worshippers of the divine couple, Sri Sri Radha Gopinath in Braj. Acharyas say that Radharasa Sudhanidhi is actually a complementary book to an earlier book written by Bilvamangala Thakur. Bilvamangala Thakur wrote a classic book called Krishna Karnamrita, which is nectar for the ears, Karnamrita, all about Krishna. So these are complementary books, because this book, Radharasa Sudhanidhi, is about Radharani, and Krishna Karnamrita is about Krishna. So Radha and Krishna are always together, as we worship them together. So the book itself, Radharasa Sudhanidhi, is Radharani. Because Radharani, what is Radharani? She is name, form, nam, rup, gun, lila, everything there, form. So this book is also Radharani, and Krishna Karnamrita is Krishna Sarup. The book Krishna Karnamrita is Krishna Sarup, and the book Radharasa Sudhanidhi is Radharani Sarup, her personal form.